All phonological awareness skills are hear-say skills, so always remember to remove print when practicing these skills. Some students may acquire a specific skill in 2 or 3 practice sessions. Others may require longer. Work on one skill at a time. Always use motivating books or photographs to practice these skills.
Today we are learning to blend sounds and words. I'm going to say some sounds and you tell me what word you hear. Let me give you an example. This dog's name is Mop. That's right, his name is Mop. Mop. I will say some sounds to you and you tell me what words you hear. Are you ready? Okay, listen carefully. D-O-G.
Dog.
Very good, Alea. Okay, I'm going to do another one. This time, Alea, you tell me what word you hear. K-a-m. K-a-m. Come, that's right. Good job. High five. Excellent work. Okay, now Miss Tiffany is going to do some. She will say some sounds and you tell her what word you hear. Are you ready? Okay.
Sit.
Sit, you're right. You got all of my sounds. Hey, Molly, did you hear sit? Did you hear all the sounds? What word was that? Sit. Good job. Okay, here's another. Wait until I say all the sounds. Listen closely. B-O-N. What word was that?
Bone.
Bone, you're right. Hey, listen. B-O-N. Bone, you got it.
You guys are so good at listening to sounds and making up words. Good work.